Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn on your automatic reply in Microsoft Outlook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn on automatic replies in your Microsoft Outlook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're going in and out of meetings, and by turning on your automatic replies, when your customers email you, they're not going to feel like you're ignoring them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to turn on your automatic replies, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see a menu here on the left, and you want to click on account. Once you do that, you'll see this menu here, and you want to click on automatic replies. Okay, guys, so here is how you can turn on your automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook. So you can see the button is gray and white. You need to scroll it over, and when it turns blue, that means it's on. Now, if it's on, that means anybody who emails you into your Microsoft Outlook, they're going to get this canned reply that you put down here. So here you can go ahead and edit it. I am busy. I will message later. Okay. Now, if you only want this automatic reply to go out during a certain time, you can go ahead and check this box, and you can choose the date and the time period. Also, you can play with these settings right here. So you can block off your calendar for that period. You can decline any kind of invitations during this time. And then you can also cancel any meetings during this time period if you want. For me, I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And lastly, you can go ahead and check this box if you only want the replies to go to your contacts, so that way it doesn't go out to other spam email or new customers or new emails that email you. Once you're done, go ahead and click on save down here on the bottom. All right, and you should see the pop-up. So now I have turned on automatic replies in my Microsoft Outlook email. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn it on, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.